Hi friends, welcome to IT4. In this session we are going to see about union and what is the difference between union and union all. Okay, what does it mean by union? Union operation combines the results of two or more queries into a single result set that includes all the rows belong to all queries. So number of select statements we can combine the all result sets into single result sets. So every select statement gives a result set and combine these result sets, number of result sets into the single result sets. In this union will ignore any duplicates that exist. We are getting the number of result sets, and in this result set union will ignore the duplicates that exists. So these are the main difference, but in the union all it will not remove the duplicate values. So that is, union operation combines the results of two or more queries into a single result set that includes all rows that belongs to all queries in the union and will ignore any duplicates that exists. And union all also does the same thing but include even the duplicate values. Okay, things to consider while applying union: the order of the columns must be the same in all queries. The data types must be compatible for the all queries. Let us check with a simple example. Here the employee and student list. There are two tables. One is with employee ID and employee name, and the other one is student ID and student name. These are the two select statements. Here this is the syntax. So if we execute this, here the name are also same and ID also same. Here two number of columns, and here also the two number of columns, and these are the integers, the varchar. So we cannot here use the one or more columns in the first query. So total number of columns should be matched with all queries. So here we execute this, it will give the 3 rows only, because these same three rows with the are available at student list. So union will remove the duplicate rows. In case we use union all, it will return the result set what are then available in the result set. So just return. These are the difference between union and union all. That union it will remove the duplicate rows. It will won't remove the duplicate rows. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you friends.